how to check your history in GitHub to see different commits and look into your code at different versions, right? This is your repo for the lab, which you have access to. Here, you see the number of commits you have done. If you just click this link, it gives you all the history of the commits. The first 3 ones are our own starter code, auto-grading, setting up the environment. Once you accepted your lab, it seems that here you see that we are the creators. And afterwards, you have done 3 commits. If you click any of them, for example, here you updated the README file. Something that is very interesting, it shows you your changes, the ones you added and the ones you removed, right? So it's a visual way of tracking your changes, right? And here it tells you there is 1 file change. If we go back, you check another history. It also gives you the files. Here you change the single file, what you added and what you changed. So this is how you can check your history in GitHub. And it's a very useful tool for everyone. In fact, GitHub also has a desktop program that you can download in your machine and use to also visually look into these things locally. You don't need to go to the browser, but it doesn't really matter. I don't want to confuse you with that. But using the browser is more than enough if you want to look into your history, what you have done, what are the changes you have made in each commit. Good.